Here is how to play Press the Button. On a wall in the space you're working in, use 6 throwdown discs stuck on that wall to create a circle. On the floor in front of the wall, create a line using 3 throwdown discs. Ask the group of 3 to stand on this side of the line. These are the button pressers. Ask the group of 2 to stand in front of the button. These are the savers. Give the button pressers 2 balls between them.
Good work! Excellent! Yes? Good work, high five. Good work.
On the word go, the button pressers must move that ball to try and hit the button on the wall, and the savers must try and stop this from happening. The savers cannot go onto this side of the line, and the button pressers cannot go onto that side of the line. The play game is complete when the button pressers have pressed the button 10 times.
Excellent work, Liam!